Hi, I'm Teacher Thomas. Welcome to Math Class. This is Lesson 1 on Series. Today we will be learning about arithmetic progressions. On the whiteboard we have formulae for finding the nth term of a progression, as well as finding the sum of n terms of a progression. The nth term equation, a plus quantity n minus 1 times d. The letter a represents first term. The letter n represents number of terms, and the letter d represents difference. This is for the nth term formula. For the sum of n terms, we have n, a, and in the second version of the equation, d. In the first version of the equation, the one on the left, sum of n terms equals n divided by 2 times quantity a plus l. L is the last term. So in all of the formulae given, a is the first term, n is number of terms, d is the difference in terms, and l is the last term. We'll work through two examples. One, find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression negative 17, negative 14, negative 11, negative 8, on through to 58. Here we're going to use the nth term formula. In this example, we have the nth term. It is 58. Now, how many terms are there? Is that the 10th term, or the 50th term, or the 90th term? We don't know. Let's work through the equation. Nth term equals a, the first term is a, negative 17, plus the quantity n minus 1, we don't know n, so that's the variable that's remaining, times d. We can calculate d by subtracting term minus previous term. So here, for example, we can take the second term, negative 14, subtract the first term, negative 17, to arrive at a difference of 3. We'll use the 3 in our formula, so back up to 58 equals negative 17 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. d is 3. And now we'll work through to solve for n. 58 plus 17, moving the negative 17 to the other side, equals n minus 1 times 3, which expands to 3n minus 3, which simplifies to n equals 26. The number of terms, 26. Let's move to example 2. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is 25, the 19th term is negative 38, and the last term is negative 87. Find the sum of all the terms in the progression. In this example, we're given both first and last terms. We're asked for the sum of all terms. We can use the left side sum formula, which requires the first and last term. We also need to know number of terms, n divided by 2 times quantity a plus l. Looking up at the nth term formula, we need d, the difference in terms, to use that formula. Here we're going to use a series within a series. The last term of the series given is negative 87, and within that series there's a series that has 19 terms. The final term of the 19-term series is negative 38. The first term of that series is 25, plus, using our nth term formula, n minus 1. This is a 19-term series, so 19 minus 1 times d. This will simplify to negative 38 minus 25 equals 18d, and d is negative 3.5. Now we can find number of terms using the nth term formula. So here, using our full series, the final term is negative 87. That's our nth term, equals the first term of 25 plus quantity n minus 1. We don't know how many terms there are in the full series, times d, negative 3.5. The result, n, equals 33. And now we can go to our sum of terms formula. And sum of all terms equals n divided by 2. We know there are 33 terms divided by 2, multiplied by quantity a plus l. First term is 25. Last term given is negative 87. And the sum of all terms is negative 1023. We've completed the requirements for problems 1 and 2. This completes the lesson on arithmetic progressions.